case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A groundbreaking 1980 case, Liff v. Schildkrout, came under the New York Court of Appeals jurisdiction. Central to the case was whether surviving spouses could claim damages in a wrongful death action for loss of companionship and emotional well-being following their partner's death. Universally understood, these damages, known as loss of consortium, were tested under both common and statutory law within New York State. Originating from the catastrophic death of Anthony Ventura in a gas explosion, the case pivoted on the plaintiff's request to amend their complaint. They sought to incorporate a cause of action for loss of consortium on behalf of the deceased's widow. Diving deep into New York's wrongful death statute, the court deliberated the exclusion of recovery for any components related to loss of consortium. Judge Jason drafted the majority opinion for the court, detailing the issues at hand and summarizing a similar case, Liff v. Schildkrout. In this case, the plaintiffs had claimed damages for pain and suffering before death, alongside damages for wrongful death. Interestingly, the court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, allowing them the addition of a claim for loss of consortium during the decedent's conscious period of pain and suffering. The case's complexity intensified as the plaintiffs' appeal reached the appellate level. The appellate division affirmed the lower court's verdict, which led the plaintiffs to take their arguments to the New York Court of Appeals. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals overturned the previous ruling in the consequential Ventura v. Consolidated Edison Company case. The court clarified that wrongful death does not qualify for compensable damages under the existing statute, specifically those associated with a permanent loss of consortium. In an emphatic directive, the court determined that the intricacies surrounding loss of consortium from a partner's death required explicit statutory authority. Consequently, it maintained that any substantial changes in policy must emerge from the legislature and not the judicial system.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.